Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 4.4, and in question number 2 you have to find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. And we know that any quadratic equation is of this standard form, and for this it is given that these quadratic equations have two equal roots, and till now we know that if the value of discriminant is equals to 0, in that case the roots of any quadratic equation will be 0, and the discriminant is basically b square minus 4ac. So this is the value of the discriminant. If the value of this is equal to 0, then clearly the roots of these equations will be equal. So simply what we have to do is substitute. First of all, compare this with the standard form, find the value of ABC and substitute the value of this into this equation and equate this with 0. When the value of this term, or you can say this expression, equals to 0, then the value of k can be easily find out. So comparing the value of a is 2, which is the coefficient of x square, the value of b is k, the coefficient of x, and the value of c is 3. So the value of discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, must be equals to 0. Our b is k square, our 4b square minus 4ac. Our a is 2 and our c is 3. This equals to 0. So the value of k square will be equal to, this is 4 2 is 8 into 3 is 24 with positive sign, because negative sign when shifted to that side will become positive. So we know that the value of k square, but we have to find the value of k. For that we can square root both sides, and if you square root both the sides, square and under root will be cancelled out. The value of k will become 24, under root 24. This can be written as this can be further solved at 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is 8 into 3 is 24. We can take one pair as common, so 2 under root, only 3 will remain inside the bracket. So value of k will be 2 root 6 for this particular equation if the roots of this equation are equal roots. Similarly, you can solve this also. First of all, open the bracket. So kx will be multiplied by x, it will be kx square, and kx will be multiplied with minus 2 will be 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. Now again, if we find the value of this discriminant, and if the value of this equals to 0, then the roots will be equal and the value of k can be find out. Compare this equation with this standard form and find the value of ABC. So the value of a will be k, which is the coefficient of x square. The value of b will be minus 2k, because b is the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x are minus 2k. And the value of c will be 6. Now we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac will be equals to 0. Our b is minus 2k whole square. Our 4, a is k, and c is 6 equals to 0. This will be 4k square, and this will be 6 into 4, 24, k will be equals to 0. So 4k square will be equals to 24k. Now these are k into k, and this is k. One k can be taken, or you can say this can be written as 4 into k is equals to 24k. And if I keep 1k here and the other 4k if shifted to that side, so it should divide 24k, so k can be cancelled with k and this can be cancelled 6 times. So the value of k here should be equals to 6. When the value of k will be 6, the roots of this equation will be equal roots. So this is how you can solve these questions. Thank you.